This is a complex little piece of hardware, this mini playfield. I'm gonna put these, on this one, I'm gonna put these coverless switch brackets on there. And I'll have to figure out how much of it I do like they have it designed and how much I do my own way. I just gotta see how it all fits together. First things I want to do is probably rivet the signs on there. I think they make it where you can screw the signs on there, but I'll just rivet them on there. And this probably goes like this, or possibly like this. It doesn't come with any instructions. I would have to think it goes like this though. right, here's the mini for the modified game. I got extra wires to fish through what's already a pretty tight squeeze. Got the camera dangling, so I'll know where to put that. I got this pyramid on there. I mean, it's on there, it's nice and tight. The switch coverless switch brackets. The chrome sign. Did I already tell you the camera's dangling around? So anyway, that's ready to put on there. Let's see if we can get it on there. Get it on there. It just takes me a few minutes to get it right. Deal with that with a wrench later. Alright, got that on there. I'll put some screws in this ramp. Plug this shit in. Alright, that should be everything as far as that goes. Pyramid's lighting, so that's good. All these are lighting, that's blinking. Camera's on. Alright, good. Alright, I'm almost there on the modified game and almost there on this one. I got the mini playfield built up for this one. That was a pain in the ass with all these mods. The camera, this thing. Building up this sign. There's the robot. There's the movie clips playing in the back. There's the gumball lighting mod. There's the clock that lights up. I think that's everything. I got that rocket ship. I haven't figured out if I'm gonna put it on here or not. I guess I'm gonna try to paint it to look like the original one on the playfield. See if I can figure that out. All right, here's this thing. It became a total pain in the ass. I wound up having to decal it and paint it in order for this to look similar to the one on the playfield. I'll put some blue dots where the windows are supposed to be, but it looks pretty close. It looks pretty close. It looks way better than it did, but I'll let it dry. But I cleared that, and basically what I did was I painted it silver, and then I painted the yellow accents on the fins, and then I cut decals to decal it, and then I cleared over all that, so you might see them roll back a little bit on the edge, but once the clear dries, they'll be pretty firmly on there. I can trim them off. I tried tape striping it, so I could tape it off and paint it. But every time I put a piece of tape on there, it just peels the paint right off of it. I mean, this thing's some kind of hard-ass, weird plastic, and I could probably figure out what it is and how to paint it, but I ain't got time for that. This thing's not worth that kind of effort. I just want it to look better than it did, and it definitely does that. And it looks real close to the original, so we'll see what it looks like on there. That'll probably be later today or tomorrow, though. I don't want to rush it. It's already fragile as it is. Boom, there's that installed. Looks pretty good. I mean, you know, what can you do? It if somebody wants it on there, at least try to make it look like it should be on there. So I'm pretty much done with this. I had a hell of a time with that camera, man. That camera is just so poorly thought out. It makes things so hard. It's a combination of things. It's both the camera itself and these coverless switch brackets. They both work together to make it pretty much impossible to get a tool on the nut that you need to get it on, to anchor it down and to make the adjustments. So that'll be difficult to deal with moving forward, but I can't. That's nothing I can do about it. You know, just gotta put the stuff on there that people want. You're getting it. You asked for it. You got it. And I did end up having to take a metal bracket off of one of the mods I didn't use and put it on here because it had a 3D printed bracket on there. And by the time I finally got a wrench on it and turned it once or twice, that thing had fallen over because it had broke the bracket. And I was like, damn, it needs at least a metal bracket. But yeah, I went all, you know what I wound up doing? I don't know where I left off before. I think I was painting the rocket ship, but what I wound up doing is I just went all out. I was like, okay, I gotta put all these mods on here. I'm really gonna put all these mods on here. I'm gonna put every single thing I can stand to put on here, or I can fit on here, or whatever on here. And I came up with some stuff I had in my arsenal, like these Pinball Pimp decals for that steel ramp, and you know, I just do it all on there. So there it is. And I think we'll be looking at reviewing things next. That's probably where we're at, because both of these are done essentially. I just got to tighten up a couple details and we'll go from there.